8. Yogurt and honey hair mask. Yogurt is not only a delicious snack but also a great ingredient for hair hydration. Mix half a cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of honey until well combined. Apply the mixture evenly to damp hair, ensuring that every strand is covered. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. This mask will help restore moisture to dry hair, leaving it soft and manageable. 9. Coconut oil and argan oil hair mask. Coconut oil is well known for its moisturizing properties, while argan oil helps nourish and repair damaged hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of argan oil, warming them slowly to ensure they blend well. Apply the mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the ends. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours before rinsing it out. This mask will deeply moisturize your hair, making it shiny and healthy looking. 10. Papaya and yogurt hair mask. Papaya is rich in vitamins A and C, which can help improve hair hydration and elasticity. Mash half a ripe papaya and mix it with half a cup of plain yogurt until smooth. Apply the mixture to your hair, massaging it into your scalp and spreading it through your strands. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your hair feeling hydrated, soft, and manageable. 11. Green tea and honey hair mask. Green tea is not only a refreshing beverage but can also promote hair hydration. Brew a strong cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Mix the cooled tea with 2 tablespoons of honey until well combined. Pour the mixture over your hair, making sure to saturate every strand. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it out with cool water. This mask will provide moisture and shine to your hair, leaving it looking healthy and revitalized. 12. Oatmeal and almond oil hair mask. Oatmeal is great for soothing dry and itchy scalp, while almond oil helps moisturize and nourish the hair. Cook half a cup of oatmeal according to the package instructions, then let it cool. Once cool, mix it with 2 tablespoons of almond oil until well combined. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the scalp and spreading it through the strands. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This mask will provide relief from dryness and leave your hair feeling soft and hydrated. 13. Rosewater and glycerin hair mask. Rosewater is known for its hydrating and soothing properties, while glycerin helps retain moisture in the hair. Mix equal parts of rosewater and glycerin until well blended. Apply the mixture to your hair, making sure to cover every strand. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. This mask will leave your hair feeling hydrated, smooth, and frizz-free. 14. Hempseed oil and yogurt hair mask. Hempseed oil is rich in essential fatty acids that can lock in moisture and promote hair hydration. Mix 2 tablespoons of hempseed oil with half a cup of plain yogurt until well combined. Apply the mixture to your hair, massaging it into your scalp and distributing it through the ends. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This mask will deeply moisturize your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. 15. Pumpkin and coconut milk hair mask. Pumpkin is not only a fall favorite but also a great ingredient for a hydrating hair mask. Blend half a cup of pumpkin puree with half a cup of coconut milk until smooth. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the scalp and spreading it to the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it out with cool water. This mask will provide deep hydration to your hair, leaving it feeling nourished.